Hello students, welcome to this video on Food and Textile Studies for Grade 9. Today's lesson will be on Unit 1, Minerals Part 2. Learning Objectives. This video will help you to list common examples of food sources of minerals, potassium, sodium and iodine. State the importance of each mineral. Name the deficiencies and excess of each mineral. Let's recapitulate on our previous lesson done on Minerals Part 1. Minerals are substances present in small amount in foods. Minerals: calcium, iron, sodium, potassium and iodine. Good sources of calcium are milk, cheese, and canned fish, for example, sardines. Good sources of iron: liver, watercress, dark green leafy vegetables, and pulses. Potassium. Let's see about the food sources of potassium. We have avocado, banana, potatoes, spinach, known as bread épinard, beans, citrus juices, and fish. Let's learn more about the functions of potassium. Potassium assists in maintaining normal blood pressure. It supports healthy nerves and muscle function. Let's see the deficiencies of potassium. We suffer from weakness, fatigue, muscle ache, muscle cramps. These are the 4 deficiencies of potassium. The excess of potassium are weakness, numbness. Although your body needs potassium, having too much potassium in your blood can be harmful. It can lead to serious heart problems. Let's learn about sodium. The food sources of sodium are salt, soy sauce, pickles known as achar, tomato sauce. Fruits such as banana, pineapple, and pawpaw are rich sources of sodium. The functions of sodium. Sodium is needed to maintain the amount of water balance in the body. Needed for the proper functioning of the nerves. The deficiencies of sodium are muscle cramps, weakness, and the excess. It may cause bloating and swelling of body tissues and water retention. May lead to hypertension. Let's learn about iodine. The food sources of iodine are salt, milk, seafoods, spinach. To note that strawberries and cranberries are also good sources of iodine. The function of iodine is needed to produce thyroxine, a hormone that regulates the use of energy in the body. This is your thyroid gland. The deficiencies of iodine. We suffer from goiter, means the enlargement of the thyroid gland, and cretinism. Let's learn more about goiter. The goiter is a disease where your thyroid gland swells. And cretinism, it is a condition of severely stunted physical and mental growth. The symptoms: deficient in hair and teeth, dry skin, retarded skeletal growth. Both are the deficiencies of iodine. The excess of iodine, hyperthyroidism, disorder which occurs when the thyroid gland does not produce enough thyroid hormone. And the symptoms are dry skin, weight gain, and fatigue. Summary. We have reached the summary of our lesson. Minerals help your body to grow, to develop, and to stay healthy. Calcium helps to build strong bones, and healthy teeth. The sources are dairy products such as milk, cheese, and canned fish. To note that the canned fish should be with bones, for example, sardines. Iron helps in the formation of red blood cells. The sources are liver, meat, and whole grain cereals. Potassium keeps your muscles and nervous system working properly. The sources are bananas, potatoes, and citrus fruits. Sodium is needed to regulate water balance in the body. Its sources are table salt, soy sauce, and tomato sauce. Iodine is needed to produce thyroxine. The sources are seafood and dairy products. Lack of minerals can cause deficiency disease such as rickets, anemia, and goiter. An excess of minerals can also be detrimental for the body health. Now it's time for some exercises. Please take your copybook and your pen in your hands. The exercise is as follows. Copy and complete the table below by giving 1 function, 2 sources, 1 deficiency, and 1 excess for each mineral listed below. Let's see the table. You have the mineral calcium, iron, sodium, and iodine. Number 2, prepare a poster illustrating the food sources of the following minerals. You have calcium, iron, potassium. You can use illustrations from supermarkets, hypermarkets, pamphlets, newspapers, magazine cuttings to complete your work. Let's see the answers for question 1. We will take calcium. The function of calcium is needed for the maintenance of bones and teeth. The 2 sources are milk, cheese. The deficiency of calcium is rickets. And the excess is hypercalcemia. Number 2, mineral, iron. It helps in the formation of red blood cells. We obtain iron from liver and watercress. The deficiency of iron is anemia, and the excess may cause constipation. Third one, sodium. Sodium is needed to maintain water balance. We obtain sodium from pickles, cheese. When we lack sodium, we may suffer from weakness, and the excess of sodium may result to hypertension. Fourth one, iodine. It is needed to make the hormone thyroxine. We obtain iodine from seafoods and milk. The deficiency disease of iodine is goiter, known also as goitre. And the excess of iodine is hyperthyroidism. Thank you for your attention. We have reached the end of this lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. Until the next, goodbye.